We found from the tips of your fingers down to the soles of your feet, a glimmer in your skin that I can't believe. And take a trip to the sea.